Last time, we are shocked that Bybit is leaving crypto market in the UK. Now it is even more surprising that Binance, one of the largest exchange, is going to halt their services in the UK too. But fear not, if problem comes then solution is there for you no matter how hard it is. Today I will show you the best alternative. Cryptocurrency exchange Binance said on Monday it will stop accepting new customers in the United Kingdom, in compliance with new regulation restricting promotions from overseas digital asset firms in the country. New users in the UK will not be able to register on the platform from 4 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time, according to a post on Binance's website. The country's tough stance comes as cryptocurrency regulation remains in focus around the world after a string of high-profile collapses last year sparked worries about how these firms use and store customer deposits in a largely unregulated industry. Last week, Britain's financial regulator said it was stopping peer-to-peer platform, Rebuilding Society, from approving financial promotions for Binance and other crypto asset firms, days after Binance announced it had partnered with the company. The FCA in its decision notice had said unregistered crypto asset firms must not promote crypto assets to UK consumers unless they have an authorized company to approve the promotions. This reason makes Binance decide to halt new users coming into the exchange. Crypto users shouldn't fear, as bitget, one of the most reliable and flexible exchanges to date, is here to protect all UK users. Bitget also receives a lot of trading activity. However, why bitget? The main factor is that they are still providing their services in the UK, which is in line with the news of today. Since 2018, they have developed an exchange dedicated to assisting consumers in trading more intelligently by offering a safe, one-stop cryptocurrency investment solution. So in my opinion, using bitget is a top decision. How specifically should you use the exchange now that I have advised you to use bitget? The following are the things you must do. Visit bitget's website and register or log in. After that, look to the top left and deposit by selecting the desired cryptocurrency from the Buy Crypto area. After depositing, you can freely trade on bitget by selecting spot trading or future trading. You can also look at additional bitget items that provide you with intriguing chances to increase your earnings from the cryptocurrency market. That's all. Bitget is a great alternative to the exchange that stopped serving UK residents. Additionally, Bitget has a ton of promotions and events planned for all users, including UK users, so they may all trade happily and earn extra incentives. As a result, Bitget is the way to go. That is all for today. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's conquer the crypto world together. Remember, trade smart, trade strong, and trade safe with Bitget.